Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your Firebase console and Android Studio are ready. Create a new Android app with the correct package name and choose Kotlin or Java. Once done, add that Android app in the Firebase console, download the Google services. JSON file and place it into app/ in your project. Make sure your app ID matches exactly and your min SDK is compatible, because mismatches will block initialization. This gets you straight into connecting code and services. Now you wire Firebase into Gradle. Open project level build. Gradle and add the Google Services class path, then in app level build. Gradle add the Firebase real-time database dependency or Firestore if preferred. Apply the Google Services plugin at the bottom of the app Gradle file so the Google Services JSON is processed. Sync the project and watch for version conflicts. If you see them, align Firebase BOM versions or update Android Gradle plugin. Once syncing succeeds, you can initialize Firebase in code. Finally, initialize Firebase in your application class or main activity by calling Firebase app. Initialize app this or rely on AutoInit. Obtain a database reference and perform set value or push for writes, and add value event listener or get for reads. Use tasks and onComplete to handle success or failure. Test on a real device or emulator with network. If something fails, make sure Google Services JSON is in app/ package names match. Internet permission exists, and Gradle sync shows no errors. That sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.